Alright guys, I'll be doing a short video tutorial on how to edit mockup file using your Photoshop. So now we need to get our mockup files ready. So what you quickly do, just click on your file at the top menu here, click on file, click on file, and you see open, and click on open. It now redirect you to your storage device. Just click on desktop, and there are a lot of mockup files here. So we locate the one we want to get. So double click. Allow it to load. Now here it is. So the mockup file is already loaded. So what you do now? Just click on this, right click, then come to edit content, just accept it, and here you go. Yes. And what you do now, come back to your file, click on file, scroll down to paste link, click, just scroll down wherever your file is, you already created logo, here it is, here. Just click on it and it will automatically go. Just give it a minute, and here is it. So what you do now, just select your alternate key, click on your alternate key from your keyboard, then scroll down to this page, include it. Then accept it from here. I come back to this up. Then you save. Just press Ctrl S to save from your keyboard. Allow it to load. This file is a little bit heavy, that is why I didn't use phone. I've been trying to make use of phone, but very heavy, that is why I didn't use it. After you might have done this, click on this 3D wood logo mockup. Click on it and allow it to load in. Yes. So you get your logo mockup. So this is how you do it. Then when you want to save now, come back here, Click on save as and give it a name. And click on this, drag down to create. Then select your direction where you want it to save. And click on save. Allow it to save. And just accept it. Right. And that is how we get our mockup file edited. Just minimize, and here is our preview mockup. These are preview, right? Yeah, these are created mockup. So this is how you get your mockup file edited. Alright guys, see you in our next class. Bye for now.